Hello everyone, my name is Victor Joseph and I'm doing my BTech third year from Karunya University in Computer Science and Engineering. So today I'll be teaching you one experiment of case 2's lab which I got from my university on the same, and it's about sequence diagram, and the aim is to draw a sequence diagram for the exam registration system. Yeah, and sequence diagram is one type of interaction diagram which is used to describe some type of interactions among the different elements in the model. The sequence diagram captures a time sequence of message flow from one object to another. Sequence diagrams demonstrate the behavior of objects in a use case by describing the objects and the messages they pass. The diagrams are read left to right and descending in a sequence diagram. Classes and actors are listed as columns with vertical lifelines indicating the lifetime of the object over time. Basic components of sequence diagrams are the object, actor, lifeline, activation, and message. An object. Objects are instances of classes and are arranged horizontally. A pictorial representation for an object is a class with the name prefixed by the object name and a semicolon. Actors can also communicate with objects, so they too can be listed as a column. An actor is modeled using the ubiquitous symbol, the stick figure, that is this thing. The lifeline identifies the existence of the object over time. The notation for a lifeline is a vertical dotted line extending from an object, and is represented by this line. Then activation modeled as rectangular boxes on the lifeline indicate when the object is performing an action. The message is modeled as horizontal arrows between activations and indicate the communication between objects. Then self-message occurs when an object sends a message to itself. Recursive message. Self-message occurs when an object sends a message to itself within the recursive scope. So let's have a look at the diagram. Oh my goodness. So this is a sequence diagram, and there's a student exam registration system server. Then the first is the quiz details. So the student is requesting details to the exam registration system, and the activation messages of this much of length. Then the second thing is to search the details. So it will go to the server to search, and it will take this much of time, and then it will load the details, and after that it will show the details. So that's how you do this thing. So that's all with this one, and then maybe you can use the class diagram for different scenarios in order to make the sequence diagram. So that's it with this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case if you have any doubts, feel free to ask it out in the comment section. Thank you.